push and pull exercise, we will be in need for weights. That is barbell to be exact. And since I don't have barbell at home, I have made some improvisations. Charan, 2 bottles of water. So let's start. To start with, you have to stand straight with your feet in a hook, width apart, midway, and then knees slowly, slightly bent, and your upper body, slowly hinge your upper body by pushing your hip backward and keeping these barbells alongside your legs, okay? And then while maintaining along a neutral spine, you bend your elbows up by pulling it up, then slowly strengthen it again. Push, pull, push. The lunge exercise. You have to stand tall for the starting position. Stand tall and straight, making your spine and your legs straight. Then, first steps, you're going to step forward big enough to ensure that when you lounge, you will get the 90-degree angle of the legs. And then for going back for starting position, you have to push your lunging feet back to its original position. Okay, let's repeat it for another leg. Step forward, lunge, making sure your knees won't touch the floor, and back. For the starting position, you have to stand straight as it is, and then hinge slowly your front upper body. Hinge. While in the process, you have to keep your spine straight, and then hold it, and then back to the original position. Again, hinge forward. Remember to keep this spine straight and the legs straight, knees without bending the knees, and then back to the original position. For squats, for your starting position, you have to stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and the toes pointed out, okay? Like this. And then, while in position, you have to send your hips back to a squat and hold the position. Keep your arms straight for balance. Hold it. Make sure your thighs are parallel to the floor, and then back to the original position.